Imagine a tiny seed that swells to 12 times its size when soaked, forming a nutrient-rich gel perfect for weight loss and improved digestion. Today, we reveal the truth behind chia seeds, debunking myths about their omega-3s and protein content. Whether you prefer chia seed pudding, chia seed water, or a hearty chia breakfast, get ready for science-backed insights that can transform your diet. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started with the real facts. Problem and solution. Many believe chia seeds are a magic solution for high-quality protein and abundant omega-3s. In reality, while they contain ALA, your body converts less than 0.5% of it into DHA. Moreover, a medium egg provides 7 grams of premium protein, compared to just 4 grams per tablespoon of chia seeds. This misconception can create nutritional gaps. The remedy is to use chia as part of a balanced diet, combining it with other nutrient sources for optimal health. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Clear, concise, credible chia facts. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with soluble fiber, essential minerals, and antioxidants that work together to support overall health. Their remarkable ability to absorb water, up to 12 times their weight, transforms them into a gel-like substance that aids digestion, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, and prolongs satiety by slowing carbohydrate absorption. This gel-like consistency not only stabilizes blood sugar levels, but also contributes to sustained energy release, making chia seeds a valuable ally in weight management. In addition to their digestive benefits, chia seeds are rich in minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for maintaining bone health and optimizing metabolic functions. For maximum benefit, it is important to soak chia seeds for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or ideally overnight, to enhance their digestibility and prevent any choking hazards. Whether you enjoy them as a creamy chia seed pudding, a refreshing chia seed water drink, or blended into your favorite smoothies, incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is a delicious and effective way to boost your nutritional intake. Mind and mood boost. The hidden mental benefits of chia seeds. Beyond physical wellness, chia seeds may offer powerful benefits for your mental health and emotional balance. Rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for nerve function, chia seeds help regulate cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. This regulation can contribute to a calmer mood and reduced feelings of anxiety. Moreover, the steady release of carbohydrates from chia's soluble fiber helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes and irritability that often follow high-sugar meals. While plant-based omega-3s like ALA have limited conversion to DHA, emerging studies suggest they may still play a supportive role in cognitive function and emotional stability when consumed regularly. The synergy of these nutrients makes chia seeds a smart addition for those seeking mental clarity and calm throughout the day. Whether added to a morning smoothie or enjoyed as a midday snack, chia can be a gentle yet effective ally in nurturing both body and mind. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to chia versus flax. Comparing chia seeds and flax seeds reveals distinct advantages for different health goals. While chia seeds excel in water absorption, enhancing digestion and hydration, flax seeds boast a higher concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, which benefit heart health. It's important to note that your body converts less than 0.5% of the ALA found in chia seeds into DHA, the active form crucial for brain and heart function. In contrast, flax seeds require grinding to unlock their nutritional value fully. For those seeking improved digestion, chia seeds are ideal, whereas individuals aiming to boost their omega-3 intake might prefer ground flax seeds or fatty fish. Ultimately, incorporating both chia and flax into your balanced diet can offer comprehensive benefits without redundancy. Wondering how to combine these superfoods into one perfect recipe? Let's dive in. Ultimate Chia Combo, Recipe and Dosage. Now, let's craft an optimal chia seed blend that maximizes benefits while complementing your overall nutrition. Begin with 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and mix them with 1 cup of your preferred plant-based milk, such as almond or chia milk. To boost omega-3 content, add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. For extra metabolic support, include 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix in natural sweetness with a handful of fresh berries or sliced apple. This dynamic combination enhances digestion, hydration, and provides a balanced array of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. The best time to consume this mixture is in the morning, ensuring you start your day with sustained energy and optimal nutrient absorption. Stay with us as we break down the science behind these choices and offer further tips. Common viewer questions. How many chia seeds should I consume daily? For most adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is ideal. This amount offers beneficial fiber without overwhelming your system. Can chia seed pudding help with weight loss? Yes, the soluble fiber in chia seeds promotes satiety and aids in balanced blood sugar levels, which can support weight management. Is chia seed water effective? Chia seed water can hydrate your body and provide a gentle energy boost, but it works best when combined with a balanced diet. Are there any side effects? Generally, chia seeds are safe when soaked. However, individuals on blood thinners or with digestive issues should consult a doctor before regular use. What recipes work best? Try chia seed pudding, chia seed water, and chia seed breakfast recipes, each offering unique benefits for digestion and overall health. Absolutely, chia seeds are a smart choice for daily nutrition. Additional tips, more insights, beyond these core benefits, consider integrating chia seeds with a variety of whole foods for optimal nutrition. Enhance your meals by adding nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits to boost antioxidant levels and support overall wellness. Experiment with different textures by blending chia seeds into smoothies, or using them as a topping for salads and yogurt. Always remember, gradual introduction is key to avoid digestive discomfort, and maintaining hydration further maximizes their benefits. Embrace variety for a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. If you're as fascinated by home remedies as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to uncover natural solutions and helpful home tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to chia seeds. Embrace health, celebrate life.